Welcome to take 299 of our video for today. So here at SoYouB Boutique, we're going to have a scarf time. We're not stopping, we're just going to carry on. We're going to have a scarf time workshop one evening for all you ladies that want to learn lots of different ways to tie a scarf. So until we've got the date set, keep checking Facebook so that you know when it is going to happen. I'm going to do one for you today to keep you going. So obviously you need a scarf. So I've got this lovely gorgeous scarf that's just come in, and you fold it in half like this. Put it round your neck, and this is called the European loop. So you literally just get your loop, your other side of the scarf, and pull it through like so. Then you get the loop and you reverse it. So you give it a twist like that, get the other end of the scarf and pull it back through. And then you adjust it to how you want it. So I like it a little bit looser. Obviously it looks beautiful here. And that's it. And this is called your plait. Thank you.